Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a tutorial video about Sketch, and this is a continuation of the first tutorial video that I did about making a thumbnail using the software. In my first tutorial video, I have shown you on how to make a thumbnail, and we are going to use the thumbnail as our model in creating other thumbnails. This is the thumbnail that I created in my first video, and we are going to use this as our model in creating our next thumbnail. If you have created your first thumbnail, the next thumbnail is going to be easier to do it because you are going to make use of this as your model. And now let's start creating our next thumbnail. First, import an image from the desktop to the software. In this box, you can put any name you like for the image. The new image must have the same size with our first thumbnail, and to do this, you just need to put that image on top of the other and make the two images coincide with each other. And now we have an image that has the same size with our model thumbnail. Since we want our thumbnails of the same format, what we are going to do next is we just need to copy or duplicate the rectangular shape and the text we have in our model thumbnail. And to do this, select the elements that you want to duplicate or copy, then Command D. After that, select the elements that you have copied and drag into the new image. And now you can change the text for the new thumbnail. The last step before we are going to export the thumbnail is we have to group all the elements in the new thumbnail. And you can name that group to any name you like. So there you have it. We have our new thumbnail, and let us now export this thumbnail by following these steps. And now this is our new YouTube thumbnail, and if you are going to check the size, it is 6.1 megabytes, which is too big for a YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail size should be 2 megabytes or less, so we have to decrease the size of our thumbnail, and by doing this, you just follow these steps. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about making YouTube thumbnail using Sketch, just write in the comments below. For my next video, I am going to show you on how to make a logo using Sketch.